Okay, I think the original question to this has been tampered with. It was made too easy. So I've changed it slightly to what I think it must have been. Right, so read the question. It's not too different. At a depth of x meters, the temperature of the water is T. Right, so x and T are related somehow, and there's going to be a formula. When the depth, at a depth below 900 meters, the temperature T is 5 degrees Celsius. So when the depth is 900 meters, when x is 900 meters, the temperature T is 5 degrees Celsius. Then it's saying T is inversely proportional to x, right? It doesn't say T is directly proportional to x. If it was directly proportional to x, we would have written this. Or if it was directly proportional to x squared, we would have written that, or square root or whatever. But it's inversely proportional. So you say T is inversely proportional to x. Just x, not x squared or anything like that. Now, we're going to bring the k in, okay? So if I do this now, T is equal, okay, I'm not going to be using that symbol, so I use the equal symbol, introduce the k as a constant of proportionality over x. Right, what do we know? We need to find the value of k. We need to find the value of k because that's part of the formula. So what will help us? This will help us. T is 5k, I don't know what it is, but I'm going to find out, and x is 900. So something divided by 900 to give me 5. 900 times 5 is 4,500. K is 4,500. K is 4,500. So therefore, our formula, now we can write our formula. The formula is T, the temperature, is 4,500 divided by what? Divided by x. That's the formula. So for any value of x, we can work at the temperature. It's what's been done here. So here we have work at the difference in temperature of the water at a depth of 1200 meters and the temperature of the water at a depth of 2500 meters. So I'm going to substitute the x in here for 1200 here to get what the temperature is. And then I'm going to substitute the 2500 in here to get what the temperature is. Then I'm going to find the difference. So if I'll do that now, I'll get the answer. 4,500 for the first one, 1200. I get 3.75 degrees Celsius. That's for a depth of 1200 meters. And the other one is the 2,500 meters, a lot deeper in the ocean. I get 1.8 degrees Celsius at a depth of 2,500 meters. Work at the difference in the temperature. Well, what I'll need to do then, I'll need to subtract these two to get the difference. It's a difference of 1.95 degrees Celsius. Right. So I've just changed the question slightly to what I think it was originally to make it a bit more challenging.